Okay, real talk. Your car can do things right now that you have absolutely no idea about. And I'm not talking about some crazy aftermarket mod or a dealer upgrade. I'm talking about features that are already sitting there, baked into your vehicle, just waiting. Features that could save you from getting locked out, cool your car down before you even open the door, or literally save someone's life. And the wild part, most people drive their cars for years, sometimes decades, without ever discovering them. So buckle up because today on Automastery, we're exposing 10 secret car features you need to start using right now. Let's go. Welcome back to Automastery, the channel where we make sure you actually know the car you're driving. I'm willing to bet that by the end of this video, you're going to pause, go out to your driveway, and try at least 3 of these. And if I'm wrong, hey, let me know in the comments. But I don't think I am. All right, number 1, and this one shocks people every single time. You know that fancy key fob you carry around everywhere? The one with the buttons, the little Volkswagen or Toyota or Honda logo on it? Yeah, there's a secret key hiding inside of it right now. No, seriously. Most modern key fobs have a small release button. Sometimes it's a little latch on the side, sometimes it slides. And when you press it, out pops a full mechanical key, a real old-school metal key. Now, why does that matter? Picture this. It's 11 p.m., you're in a parking garage, your fob battery just died, and you're standing there pressing unlock over and over again like that's gonna help. Sound familiar? Yeah. Here's the fix. Use that hidden key. But here's the bonus secret inside the secret. Your car door probably has a keyhole too, and it's often hidden behind a small plastic cover on the handle. Pop that cover off, slide the key in, you're in. Crisis averted. You're welcome. Okay, has this ever happened to you? You're driving at like 6 p.m., the sun is sitting right at that perfect angle where your visor blocks nothing and you're basically driving blind. You flip the visor down? Useless. You tilt your head? Worse. You squint like a raccoon? Not safe. Here's what 90% of drivers don't know. That visor actually slides. Pull it sideways. There's usually a little panel that extends out to cover the gap near the side window or the rearview mirror area. It's been there the whole time. Your car has been trying to help you, and you've been squinting for nothing. Go check yours after this video, for real. All right. I know what some of you are thinking. I already know this one. Do you, though? Because I've personally watched grown adults pull into a gas station and do the drive forward, reverse, pull around maneuver because they couldn't remember which side the gas cap was on. Look at your dashboard right now, or the next time you're safely parked, and find the little gas pump icon. Right next to it, there's a tiny arrow. That arrow points to the exact side of your car where the fuel cap lives, every time, on every car. Cars are packed full of this kind of helpful but hidden info, and this is one of the easiest ones to miss because it's so small. Now, you'll never do the gas station shuffle again. You're welcome again. Hey, real quick, if this is already blowing your mind a little bit, do me a favor and tap that like button. It seriously helps Automastery get this stuff in front of more drivers who need to hear it. Okay, back to the good stuff, because we're barely halfway through, and it gets way better.
This one went absolutely viral on TikTok in 2025, and for good reason, because it feels like a magic trick the first time you do it. In a video with over 1.6 million views, a TikTok user attempted this trick after seeing it recommended online and was genuinely stunned that it worked. Here's how it works on most cars. Press the unlock button once. Wait a second, then press and hold the unlock button again for about 3 to 5 seconds. Your windows will start to roll down. All of them. This is designed for convenience, letting fresh air into your vehicle on warm days so you can quickly cool down the cabin before you step inside. This isn't a trick or hidden hack. It's a factory feature built in for real-world comfort. Honda, GMC, Nissan, Toyota, Chevy, many of them have this. Some need it enabled through the infotainment settings or at the dealer. Check your owner's manual or just try it in the parking lot right now. Oh, and the reverse works too on some models. Hold the lock button and the windows wind themselves back up. Here's one that's gonna save your eyes on every night drive from here on out. You know when someone's behind you with their high beams blasting straight into your rearview mirror like they're trying to signal Mars? It's blinding, it's annoying, it's dangerous. If your car doesn't have an auto-dimming mirror, look at the bottom of your rearview mirror. There's a small lever or tab right there. Flip it. The mirror shifts to a slightly different angle that dramatically cuts the glare from headlights behind you while still letting you see what's going on. It's like putting on sunglasses, but for your mirror. Seriously, if you've never done this before, try it tonight. Your eyes will thank you. Okay, I want to take a second here because this next one isn't just a cool trick. This one is genuinely important and could save a life. Since 2002, every car sold in the US is required by law to have a glow-in-the-dark release handle inside the trunk. It's usually a bright yellow or green pull tab, and if you find yourself, or God forbid, someone else, trapped inside a trunk, pulling that handle releases the latch from the inside. Now, I know most of us are never going to need this, but think about kids playing near a car. Think about a medical situation. Think about the worst-case scenarios we all hope never happen. Knowing this exists and making sure the people you love know it exists matters. Take 5 seconds and show your family where it is. That's it. Just show them. And hey, if you're learning things today that you genuinely didn't know before, that's exactly what Automastery is here for. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next video. We drop this kind of stuff all the time, and I'd hate for you to miss it. Okay, back to the fun ones. Have you ever noticed that your radio gets louder on the highway and quieter when you slow down, and just thought, weird, must be the Bluetooth or something? Nope, that's not a glitch. That's a feature. It's called Speed-Sensitive Volume, or SSV, and a ton of cars have it. Ford, Volkswagen, BMW, GM vehicles, and more. As your speed increases, wind noise and engine noise get louder, so the system automatically bumps up your audio to compensate. When you slow down or stop, it brings the volume back. The wild part is how many people have been driving with this for years and just thought their ears were getting better at highway speeds. You had technology working for you this whole time and you didn't even know it. That's kind of incredible, honestly. All right, switching gears to something practical. Changing your wiper blades is one of those tasks that seems simple until you're hunched over your windshield in a parking lot, trying to get the blade to stay up while you wrestle with the connector, and then it snaps back and slaps you on the hand. Here's the fix. Many cars have what's called a wiper service mode. It's a mode that holds your wipers straight up in the middle of the windshield so you can actually work on them comfortably. On a lot of cars, you activate it by turning the ignition to accessory mode and using a specific sequence with your wiper stock. The exact steps vary by model, so this is one where you'll want to check your owner's manual or just search wiper service mode plus your car's make and year. But once you find it, you'll use it every time. It's one of those "where has this been all my life" moments. Okay, this one's like a mini treasure hunt. A lot of cars, and this is more common than people realize, have hidden storage spaces that most owners never find. We're talking under the passenger seat, beneath removable floor panels, under the mats, in the floorboard itself. Some vehicles have clever covered storage bins that are great for keeping things out of sight. Though, fair warning, check them occasionally or you might find some forgotten French fries or a damp swimsuit from your last beach trip. So do yourself a favor, lift your floor mats, check under your seats, look for any panels that seem like they might lift up. You might find extra cubbies, a first aid kit spot, or just a great place to stash your parking chain so it stops rolling around everywhere. And we're closing out with one of the most genuinely useful features on this entire list, walk-away auto lock. This is exactly what it sounds like. You get out of your car, you walk away with the key fob in your pocket, and the car locks itself automatically once you're a certain distance away. No clicking the fob 3 times while walking backward to make sure it's locked. No standing in the parking lot second-guessing yourself. You can configure this directly from your vehicle settings menu, usually under Remote Lock, Unlock, and Start, where you'll find a passive door lock option with several settings to choose from. It's available on a wide range of 2025 and 2026 vehicles from GM, Toyota, Hyundai, Ford, and more. If you've never turned this on, go into your infotainment settings tonight. It will genuinely change your daily routine. And that's a wrap on 10 secret car features that have been hiding in plain sight. From the hidden key inside your fob, to rolling your windows down from across a parking lot, to that little emergency handle in your trunk. Your car is honestly smarter than most of us give it credit for. Now I want to hear from you. Which one of these did you not know about before watching this? Drop it in the comments. I genuinely read every single one, and I love seeing which features blow people's minds the most. If you want to help Automastery grow and keep making content like this, share this video with one person, a friend, a family member, a coworker who always parks at the gas pump on the wrong side. They need this. We all do. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. We've got more hidden features, car tips, and stuff your dealership never told you coming very soon. Until then, drive smart, drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.